Hello, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make these cover buttons. So you need the rivet machine, you need your dies, you need a cover button, you need a piece of fabric, and of course a scissors to cut. So guys, this particular cover button is a size 30. So this is size 30. They come in different sizes depending on your choice or what you want to achieve with them. So for us to do this, first, you need to get this one. So first thing first, you cut out a piece of fabric like this, just very little piece but not too small, and you place it into your dies. Please note, your dies should be the same measurement as your cover buttons. You don't use a dice of size 30 for cover button of size 31. It won't work. So these cover buttons come in different sizes. There is size 30, 31, I think 32, I'm not sure, but then they have bigger sizes and then smaller sizes. Okay, so look at the way I'm placing the other parts of the cover buttons. Remember, the cover button has the two parts, the upper part and then the lower part. But once you fix it that way, you take it to your rivet machine and you press it like so. Now this is what it looks like. So I use scissors to like push. I don't know the type of dice you might buy, but this particular one you just have to like use scissors to push it out or push it from behind. And see how easy it is. Just cut out a piece of fabric like so. You place this part. You see the part I'm placing into the dice, right? You see the part I'm placing into the dice, and then you use the other parts to cover. Then you now put this other part of the cover button, can you see it, inside this way. And now you take it to the rivet machine and you press it. Just so simple, very easy. I really hope you like this video, and I really hope you find it very, very easy to understand. If you found this video quite easy to understand and you find this video very helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, like and subscribe. Thank you.